sorry I fell on your grandmother, but it was an accident.
I'm missing ice cream.
Okay, I believe you. I'm sorry I got all in your face.
So, the fight.
You want to do it?
Promise you're not mad at me anymore?
I promise.
And after the fight, my face will look pretty much just like this?
Yeah, I'll go easy. No worries.
Okay.
So we're on. Saturday
Yeah,
night.
make it my kitchen for us.
I'll let the press know. Does anyone have any aspirin?
It's a romantic aspirin. Oh yeah. Why you beating me up?
You got my text. Yeah, why are we celebrating?
The fight is on.
No way.
Yeah, I told Shelby that.